You live in an apartment. The biggest blackout mistake is building a kit like you own a house. A generator may not be allowed. A giant fuel plan may not be realistic. And a closet full of random supplies does not help if your phone is dead and the hallway is dark. Start with the first 24 hours. First, solve light. For many renters, the safer starter setup is one room lantern, one small flashlight, and a headlamp if you have to use both hands. Do not make candles your main plan. They are easy to forget, easy to knock over, and not useful when you need to move around. Second, protect phone power. A charged power bank and the right cable are more useful than a radio crank when your phone is at 4%. Check the cable type now. If your family has different phones, do not assume one old cable works for everyone. Third, have a way to get local updates if Wi-Fi is down. A small emergency radio may help during a power outage, but do not buy it because you think it will quickly charge your phone. Treat it as an information tool first, and keep phone charging separate. Fourth, cover simple water and food. In an apartment outage, you may not want to cook, run appliances, or open the fridge again and again. Keep a small water plan, easy food that does not need cooking, and a manual can opener if your food needs one. Fifth, store the apartment kit in one place, not 10 places, not half in the kitchen and half under the bed. Use a small bin, drawer, or shelf near the entry area, and tell the people in your home where it is before the lights go out. Sixth, check your building rules before you spend money. Some apartments do not allow fuel storage, balcony generators, or certain battery setups. This is why the first kit should be small, indoor safe, and easy to use without changing anything in the apartment. Save bigger power decisions for a separate buying checklist. Seventh, add the personal items your household would miss first. That might mean pet food, baby supplies, glasses, a written contact list, a small first aid kit, or medicine reminders. This is not medical advice. It is a reminder that a generic kit can still fail if it ignores the people who actually live there. Eighth, buy in layers instead of panic ordering everything at once. Start with light and phone power, then add local updates and water, then add food, first aid, and personal needs. This keeps the kit useful even if your budget is small, and it helps you avoid buying supplies that sit unopened for years. Common buying mistake is panic shopping after one bad outage. That usually creates duplicates and gaps. Before you buy, check your own building rules. Your phone cables, your lighting, your medicine needs, your pets, and how much space you actually have. You want to keep this simple. Start in this order: light, phone power, local updates, water, easy food, and one storage spot. I will put the product categories and a simple apartment outage checklist direction in the